Hi guys, welcome to my channel Golang Tutorials. Today we will see how to install and set up Docker. Um, yeah, and the first I've defined all the steps required in a notepad file, and I'll go with step by step. First step is you have to go and install your Docker for desktop. Yeah, I can show you the link here which I have opened. From here you can download your Docker for your desktop. Since I'm using Windows, so I've downloaded for Windows 10. Yeah. So after that, you have to make sure your Docker is installed successfully, and when you are installed, you can see on your system tray that Docker desktop is running, and just right click on it and go to Docker Hub. Yeah, this will open up Docker Hub for you. Yeah, it opened up Docker Hub, and then you may require to sign in if required, but here I'll show you how to import MySQL image. Just type in MySQL, and if you see, you can see Docker pull MySQL. Just copy that command and open your PowerShell. Okay, in this case I'll try to open the new Windows PowerShell. Yes, and then yeah, basically I'm pulling the image from Docker Hub into my local now. You can see it's downloading the image. I'm waiting for the download process to complete. So if you notice, it has used some default tag as latest. That means whichever version is the latest version in Docker Hub, it will install. Yeah, download is completed successfully. Then let's go to the next step. Okay, since we successfully installed the MySQL image into our local system, now we have to create a valium so that when we persist our data into MySQL, it remains with the container. So I am creating a valium using this command docker create. Yeah, and my valium name would be mydata. So I'm just running this command. Yeah. Okay, that shows that valium has been created successfully with name as mydata. And let's go to the step 5, that is running the container. So to run this container, we will use docker run command followed by the new container name, that is here I am using myschema, and I am specifying the valium name here, that is recently created mydata. So along with that, I am passing the MySQL root password, that is my project. You can create your own password here. I am specifying the port numbers wherein MySQL has to run. So yeah, basically I am running this command. Yeah. Yeah, that shows MySQL. Yeah. So if you notice, MySQL has started initiated in through my PowerShell, and then it's running on port 0006, and yeah, you can see it's successfully running now. Okay. Okay, now let's go to the step 6. That's opening this container in bash. So I'll use a new Windows PowerShell window. Okay, so since my container is running in other window, then I intend to execute this command. So yeah. Okay, now we are into the bash mode, and step 7 is log into your MySQL using credentials. Credentials, just now I have created a MySQL root password with this password name. So I'm going to use the same credentials to log into MySQL. So yeah, okay. So you notice I can see the MySQL command prompt now. So let's go to the step 8, that is creating database or schema for your project. In my case, I'm just defining it as my schema. So you can define your own. Okay, yeah. So it's created, and then let's get into the my schema. Yeah. So yeah, now you can see the database is changed. Okay, let's run our dbsql. You can define your own database script according to your project requirement. For my case, since I have already defined a table script, so I'll just copy and paste it over. Yeah. Okay. Notice it's created successfully. Yeah. That's it, guys. That's how you create, uh, install, and set up your MySQL and run your Docker using this command. So I'll provide all these steps in below my description. You can find in description. Yeah. Hope you learned about installing Docker with MySQL as a container. Yeah. Okay, see you in the next video. Thank you.